Okay, here we are Monday, here in still early February, and finally going to get time to detail my Sporty. Wow, one of my bikes. They've been neglected a little too long. I've been riding them, but haven't really paid any attention to clean them. So this is the one I just got worked on. So just a quick walk around before I start washing her. It's probably been a year since I detailed it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take here about, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 hours detailing the bike. It takes forever to clean these things. So here in north central New Mexico, we're experiencing extremely warm weather. Don't know if it's an early spring or just a fall spring like we normally get here, and probably end up getting a bit more snow in March and April. So with that, I'll get to work. All right, so here I am with Brother Mo. We call him Bro Mo, the prophet. This is my cousin Moses Espinoza. We grew up like brothers from right next door. Like I've said in another video, here the whole families here pretty much live on the same property. Has been passed down, just gets broken up. We live pretty much like the folks I saw in Afghanistan up in the mountains.
Right over there.
We're pretty much a tribe over here. So yeah, that's his pad right there on the other side of my fence.
Nice.
So Mo said he wanted to be in today's movie. So there's Brother Mo. Came over to watch me work on the Sporty. So I ran out of time, got most of it detailed, but I probably got a couple hours left on it. So with that, we'll have Moses sign us off. What do you say there, Brother Mo?
I say you do a nice job. Beautiful bike.
Keep it real.
Keep it real until next time.
If you're in need of any medical calming down type of product, Brother Mo here is the man to see. He's actually legally authorized to dispense such items upon proper request. He's not only a medical user.
I got the card and everything.
He's got the card, and he's a connoisseur.
Yes,
so he knows him by name. He's even up on Ted on that one. He's got it up on Ted, and Ted's pretty good at knowing his wacky tobacco. Yeah. So with that, we'll sign off. Today's what's the day anyway? 6 February.
Yeah.
6 February.
The 8th.
Or 8 February. It's somewhere in February. It's somewhere in February with life's going on with President Harris and her vice president, who I don't know his name. He can't remember his own name. So we'll sign off here until the next one.
And you no longer burn to be close enough. Through these fields of destruction, baptisms of fire, I've witnessed your sin, friend, as the battle reached time. Then it so bad, in the fear and the love. You did not twiddle that star in every line of your heart. We're fools to make war on our brothers in arms.
The shudder round the world shook the earth with great resound. Lanterns lit, the riders fled toward the farms and towns. Their call to arms united them in grim determination. They vowed to see the evil born and made their declaration. Honor bound and bred, they stood as one in their defiance. A continental army raised on common man's alliance. For liberty, the fire in the hearts of men can forge the will to break their shackles free and shape them into swords. Machine with a hunger deep, I'll scorch the earth with a mighty shriek and a million full metal jacket teeth. You better believe that when the boot comes down, the blood I spill on the battleground will soak the earth until the wicked drown in the death I deal when the hate comes out. Born to the beating of the drums of war, shaped in the fire and valley floors, made hard in the waters of the beach I roar from the devil's claws in 44. Thunder crack and the enemy dies when the barrel spits, the fire flies. Aim's on point, they're killing time, and I kill with a heart like Arctic ice.
I am a soldier and I'm marching on.
I am a soldier and I'm marching on.
I am a warrior, this is my song.
I am a warrior and this is my song. My boots are the beat and the rhythm I tread. Shake the ground like a thunderhead. Rain down in a hail of fire and lead like a reverie running through my head. Here where the legends live and die, where the eagles scream and the reaper hides. Hell can't stop me, the devil tried, and I killed him twice in 45. Come to the nightmare, come to me. I'll grind your bones to the crushing teeth. Serve to the swine and come to feast. I'll the stink to the fear and the tears you'll weep. I'll flood the earth in a sea of brass.